What if you could completely change your income potential in just 30 days? Not by working harder at what you are already doing, but by adding one focused, high-value skill to what you offer the world. Most people assume that building a skill worth real money takes years of formal education or expensive training. That assumption is keeping a lot of talented people stuck. The truth is, some of the most in-demand and well-paid skills in today's market can be learned at a beginner level in 30 days or less with the right focus and the right resources. In this video, you will discover 6 of those skills, what makes each one valuable, and exactly how to get started. Stay until the end, because the last skill surprises most people. Skill 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the art of writing words that persuade people to take action. Yet it is behind every advertisement you have ever clicked, every email that made you buy something, and every product page that convinced you a purchase was worth it. Businesses of every size need copywriters, and they pay well for good ones. Beginners can start earning within their first 30 days by offering services to small businesses, local brands, or online entrepreneurs who need help with their website copy, email sequences, or social media ads. The learning curve is real but manageable. Spend the first 2 weeks studying the fundamentals of persuasion and response-driven writing. Spend the next 2 weeks practicing by rewriting existing ads and writing sample pieces for your portfolio. That is enough to land your first paid project. Skill 2. Video editing. The demand for video content has never been higher. Every business, creator, and personal brand needs edited video, and very few of them have the time or ability to do it themselves. Video editing is a skill that can be learned at a functional, freelance-ready level in 30 days using free tools like DaVinci Resolve or beginner-friendly platforms like CapCut. You do not need to master every feature. You need to learn how to cut footage cleanly, add captions, sync audio, and create a polished final product. Start by editing your own practice clips or offering to edit videos for small creators for free in exchange for testimonials. Within a month, you can have a small portfolio and your first paying clients. Skill 3. Social media management. Every business wants a strong social media presence. Most of them have no idea how to build one. Social media managers create content, schedule posts, engage with audiences, and track what is working. This is a skill that translates directly into freelance income, remote work opportunities, and even full-time roles at growing companies. The good news is that the core skills, understanding platforms, content planning, basic graphic design using tools like Canva, and reading analytics, can all be learned within 30 days through free courses and hands-on practice. Pick 1 or 2 platforms to focus on first. Offer to manage the accounts of a local business or a friend's brand to build your experience and your portfolio simultaneously. 3 skills in, and you are already looking at 3 real, practical ways to generate income within a month. At the next 3, go even deeper into what the market is actively paying for right now. Skill 4. Search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. SEO is the process of helping websites show up higher in search results on Google and other search engines. When someone searches for a product, a service, or an answer to a question, businesses want to be the first result that person sees. The people who know how to make that happen are consistently in demand and well compensated. Basic SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and understanding how search intent works, can be learned in 30 days. Free resources from platforms like Google itself, along with tools like Ubersuggest and Ahrefs, offer beginner-level learning at no cost. Once you understand the fundamentals, you can offer SEO audits or content optimization services to small businesses who are invisible online and desperately need help. Skill 5. Graphic design for digital media. Visual communication is everywhere. Brands need social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, presentation decks, digital ads, and marketing materials created constantly. Professional graphic designers charge well for this work, and with tools like Canva and Adobe Express, beginners can reach a competent, client-ready level far faster than traditional design paths would suggest. In 30 days, focus on learning design principles such as color, typography, layout, and hierarchy, and then apply them consistently using beginner-friendly tools. Build a small portfolio of sample work across different formats. The market for affordable, reliable digital design is massive, and clients are not always looking for the most elaborate work. They are looking for clean, professional visuals delivered on time. Skill 6. AI prompt engineering and workflow automation. This is the skill most people are not talking about yet. and that is exactly why it is so valuable right now. As artificial intelligence tools become central to how businesses operate, the people who know how to use them effectively and build efficient workflows around them are becoming indispensable. Prompt engineering is the practice of knowing how to communicate with AI tools to get high-quality, usable outputs. Workflow automation is about connecting different tools and systems so that tasks happen automatically without manual effort. Both can be learned at a practical level within 30 days using free resources, experimentation, and the AI tools themselves. Businesses are already paying consultants and freelancers to help them integrate AI into their operations. Getting in early on this skill puts you ahead of a curve that is only going to grow steeper. Here is the most important thing to understand about everything you just heard. 30 days is not enough time to become a master at any of these skills, but it is absolutely enough time to become competent, to build a beginner portfolio, and to start generating real income. The biggest obstacle most people face is not ability. It is the decision to start. Every expert in any of these fields began exactly where you are right now, not knowing enough, not feeling ready, and choosing to begin anyway. You do not need a degree. You do not need a large budget. You need 30 focused days and the commitment to follow through on one skill at a time. Pick one skill from this list that excites you most. Start today, not next week, and build from there. The income potential is real. The path is clear. All that is left is the decision. If this video gave you the push you needed, share it with someone who has been waiting for the right moment to start. And if you want more content that helps you build real skills and real income, subscribe so you never miss a video. 30 days from now, you could be in a completely different position. Start building that version of yourself today.